Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Lifestyle. I'm Sam.
And I'm Rose. We're so excited you're here with us today. Really, it means a lot.
Yes, and before we dive in, if you're finding these lessons helpful, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and leave a comment below. It really helps us continue to create content for you. We read every single comment, and we love hearing from you.
Absolutely. Your support is everything. Now, today's topic is incredibly practical. We're talking about how to describe your job in English.
This is one of the most common topics of conversation. When you meet someone new, they almost always ask, "What do you do?" or "Where do you work?"
Right, and sometimes people freeze. They don't know how to answer naturally. Today, we're going to provide you with all the phrases you need.
Whether you're a student, a teacher, an engineer, a designer, or anything else, you'll learn how to talk about your job confidently.
Let's start with the basics. The most common question is, what do you do? This is asking about your job.
You can answer simply, I'm a teacher, I'm a doctor, I'm an engineer, I'm a designer.
Or you can say, I work as a teacher, I work as an accountant, I work as a software developer.
Both are correct, both are natural. Choose whichever feels comfortable for you.
Sam, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a marketing company.
Perfect answer. Clear and simple. And what about you, Rose?
I'm a writer. I work for a digital media company.
See? Easy. Now, let's talk about where you work. You can say, I work for a company, I work at a hospital, I work in an office.
Notice the different prepositions. Work for means the company or organization. Work at means the location. Work in means the industry or building type.
For example, I work for Google. I work at the downtown office. I work in tech.
All three are useful. You can use them together. I work for a bank. I work at the main branch downtown. I work in finance.
That's a complete answer. Now, let's talk about what you actually do at work, your responsibilities.
You can say, I manage a team. I design websites. I teach students. I help customers.
These are action verbs. They describe your daily tasks. Let me provide some additional examples. I write reports. I analyze data. I create content. I develop software.
My job involves design work, so I can say, I create graphics for social media, I design logos and branding, I work with clients to understand their needs.
Good. And I can say, I write articles and blog posts. I research topics and interview people. I edit content for different platforms.
See how we're being specific? We're not just saying, I'm a designer or I'm a writer. We're explaining what we actually do.
This makes conversations more interesting. People can ask follow-up questions.
Right. Now let's talk about how long you've been in your job. You can say, I've been working here for 3 years. I've had this job for 6 months. I started last year.
Or, I've been in this field for 10 years. I've been doing this since 2020. This is my first year.
I've been a graphic designer for about 5 years. I started right after university.
I've been writing for 7 years. I worked at a newspaper first, then I moved to digital media.
Nice. See how Rose gave extra information? That's natural. You can mention your career journey.
Now, let's practice describing your work environment. You can say, I work in an office. I work from home. I work remotely. I work in the field.
Work in the field means you travel for work or work outside an office, like construction workers, salespeople, or journalists.
I work in an office most days, but sometimes I work from home. It's a hybrid schedule.
I work from home 3 days a week and go to the office 2 days. I like the flexibility.
Flexibility is a great word. It means you have freedom in your schedule.
Now let's talk about work hours. You can say, I work 9 to 5, I work full-time, I work part-time, I work shifts.
Shifts means your hours change. Maybe you work mornings one week and evenings the next week. Nurses and retail workers often work shifts.
I work regular hours, Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. Pretty standard.
I have flexible hours. Sometimes I start at 8, sometimes at 10. It depends on my deadlines.
Now let's practice talking about your coworkers and your team. You can say, I work with a small team. I have great coworkers. My team is very supportive.
Or I work independently. I collaborate with different departments. My manager is really helpful.
I work in a team of 5 designers. We collaborate on big projects together.
I work most of the time, but I coordinate with editors and the marketing team.
Good. Now let's talk about what you like about your job. This is common in conversations. Someone might ask, do you like your job? Or what do you like about your work?
You can say, I love the creativity. I enjoy working with people. I like the challenges. I appreciate the work-life balance.
What do you like about your job, Rose?
I love the variety. Every day is different. I write about different topics, interview interesting people, and learn new things constantly.
That sounds great. To me, I love seeing my designs come to life. When a client is happy with my work, it feels amazing.
Those are natural, honest answers. You don't need to say your job is perfect. Just share what you genuinely enjoy.
Now let's be real. Sometimes you need to talk about challenges too. Someone might ask, is your job stressful, or what's the hardest part?
You can say, sometimes it's stressful, especially during busy periods. The deadlines can be challenging. It's demanding, but I manage. Or you can be diplomatic. Like any job, it has its ups and downs. There are challenging days, but overall, it's good.
What's challenging about your job, Sam?
Sometimes clients change their minds a lot. I'll design something, they approve it, then they want to change everything. It can be frustrating.
I understand. For me, tight deadlines are the hardest part. Sometimes I have to write 3 articles in one day.
See, we're honest but not negative. We're just describing reality.
Now, let's talk about career goals. Someone might ask, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Or what are your career plans?
You can say, I'd like to move into management. I want to specialize more in my field. I hope to start my own business someday.
Or, I'm happy where I am right now. I want to develop new skills. I'm working towards a promotion.
What are your career goals, Rose?
I'd like to become a senior writer and eventually lead a content team. I'm also interested in learning video production.
Nice. I want to become an art director. I want to lead bigger projects and mentor junior designers.
Those are clear, specific goals. You don't need to have everything figured out. Just share what you're thinking about.
Now, let's practice some complete conversations. I'll ask you questions and you answer naturally. Ready?
Ready.
So, Rose, what do you do?
I'm a content writer. I work for a digital media company.
That sounds interesting. What kind of content do you write?
I write articles, blog posts, and social media content, mostly about lifestyle topics like travel, food, and wellness.
How long have you been doing this?
About 7 years now. I started in journalism and then moved to digital content.
Do you enjoy it?
I do. I love the variety and the creativity. Every project is different.
Perfect. That was a natural flowing conversation. Everyone is watching. That's how you do it. Now let's switch. Rose, you ask me.
Okay, Sam, what do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a marketing agency.
What kind of design work do you do?
I design logos, social media graphics, and marketing materials for different clients.
How long have you been a designer?
About 5 years. I graduated from design school and got this job right after.
What's the best part of your job?
Definitely the creative freedom. I get to try new styles and experiment with different ideas.
Excellent. See how easy that was? Just simple questions and honest answers.
Now, let's talk about some specific job vocabulary. If you're a student, you can say, I'm studying at university. I'm a college student. I'm in my 3rd year. I'm majoring in business.
If you're between jobs, you can say, I'm currently looking for work. I'm job hunting right now. I'm between jobs at the moment.
Never say, I'm unemployed in casual conversation. It sounds too formal and negative. Say, I'm looking for new opportunities instead.
If you're retired, you can say, I'm retired now. I used to work as a teacher. I retired last year after 30 years in education.
If you run your own business, you can say, I'm self-employed. I run my own business. I'm a freelancer. I own a small company.
Let's practice more useful phrases. If you want to talk about your company's size, you can say, I work for a small startup. I work for a large corporation. It's a family business. We have about 50 employees.
If you want to talk about your industry, you can say, I work in technology. I'm in healthcare. I work in education. I'm in the hospitality industry.
Notice we say in for industries. I work in finance. I work in construction. I work in retail.
Now, let's talk about promotions and career changes. You can say, I just got promoted. I recently changed jobs. I switched careers last year. I'm training for a new position.
If someone asks about salary and you don't want to share, you can say politely, I prefer not to discuss salary. It's competitive for my field. I'm happy with the compensation.
You never have to share personal financial information. It's okay to be private about that.
Let's talk about professional development. You can say, I'm taking a course to improve my skills. I attend conferences in my field. I'm learning new software. I'm working towards a certification.
I'm currently learning 3D design software. It's challenging but exciting.
I recently took a course on SEO and digital marketing. It helps me write better online content.
See, we're sharing what we're learning. This shows you're growing professionally.
Now, let's practice describing work-life balance. You can say, I have a good work-life balance. My job is demanding, but I make time for myself. I try to disconnect after work hours.
Or, I'm working on better balance. Sometimes I work too much. I'm trying to set better boundaries.
It's okay to be honest. Not everyone has a perfect balance.
Let's talk about remote work since it's so common now. You can say, I work remotely full-time. I work from home. My job is 100% remote. We have a virtual office.
Or, if you have a mix, I have a hybrid schedule. I go to the office twice a week. I work from home on Mondays and Fridays.
Do you prefer working from home or the office, Rose?
I like the hybrid model. I enjoy the quiet, focused time at home, but I also like seeing coworkers in person sometimes.
Same here. Home is great for concentration, but the office is good for collaboration and social connection.
Now, let's talk about job satisfaction. You can say, I'm very satisfied with my job. I feel fulfilled in my work. My job is rewarding.
Or, if you're not satisfied, I'm considering other options. I'm thinking about a career change. I'm exploring new opportunities.
Let's talk about benefits and perks. You can say, my company offers good benefits. We have health insurance and retirement plans. I get 4 weeks of vacation. We have flexible hours.
Or, my company has a gym. We get free lunch on Fridays. I have unlimited PTO. We can work from anywhere.
PTO means paid time off. It's vacation time when you still get paid.
Now, let's do some more practice conversations. This time, let's imagine different jobs. Rose, you are a nurse.
Okay, so if someone asks me what I do, I say, I'm a nurse. I work at City Hospital in the emergency department.
What's your typical day like?
It's very busy and unpredictable. I work 12-hour shifts, usually 3 or 4 days a week. I help patients, administer medications, and work closely with doctors.
Is it stressful?
Yes, it can be very stressful, especially during emergencies. But it's also incredibly rewarding. I love helping people during difficult times.
Perfect. That's exactly how a nurse might describe their job. Now, let me be a software engineer.
Okay, what do you do, Sam?
I'm a software engineer. I work for a tech startup in San Francisco.
What kind of software do you develop?
I work on mobile applications. Specifically, I develop features for our iOS and Android apps.
How long have you been coding?
I've been programming for about 8 years, but I've been with this company for 2 years.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work remotely full-time. The whole team is distributed across different cities.
Excellent. See how natural that sounds? You can adapt these patterns to any job.
Let's do one more. Rose, you are a teacher.
All right. I'm a high school teacher. I teach English literature and writing.
How many students do you have?
I teach about 120 students total across 5 different classes.
That's a lot. What do you love about teaching?
I love seeing students grow and develop their skills. When a student who struggled with writing finally has a breakthrough, it's the best feeling.
What's the most challenging part?
Probably grading papers. I spend a lot of evenings and weekends reading essays and providing feedback.
But you still love it?
Absolutely. Despite the challenges, it's a very fulfilling career.
Beautiful. That's a complete, natural conversation about teaching.
Before we finish, let's do a quick vocabulary recap. Here are the key phrases from today.
I work as or I'm a. Use these to state your job title.
I work for. Use this for your company or organization.
I've been working. Use this to say how long you've had your job.
Work-life balance.
This describes the relationship between your job and personal life.
These phrases will help you talk about your job naturally and confidently.
Now it's your turn. We want to hear from you in the comments.
Here's today's question. What do you do for work? Or if you're a student, what are you studying? Tell us about your job or your studies in English.
Write a few sentences in the comments. We'll read them and reply to you. This is great practice.
And if you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. It really helps us create more content for you.
We post new lessons every week, so subscribe to never miss one.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. We really appreciate you being here.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and remember, talking about your job in English gets easier every time you do it.
We'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye.